Try to solve the world through thought, collecting answers that I sought. Yet every truth I tried to claim would shift and flicker like a flame. Then silence settled in my mind, releasing what I could not find. A deeper knowing took its place, a calm that softened inner space. To grasp or justify, the heart began to clarify. Perspective open wide and free, where many views could simply be. Understanding rose within, not loud or sharp, but clear and thin. A gentle pulse, a steady guide that eased the tension held inside. Became a place to play, exploring patterns day by day. Not chained to fear or force control, but serving inside as a whole. Through empathy and wide insight, division softened in the light. A sense of unity took hold, and stories shared became more bold. A path appeared where judgment faded, trust drew near, and intellect began to serve a purpose with a higher nerve. We build new systems when we see the strength in shared humanity, and use our voice to bridge the space where misunderstanding once took place. True understanding holds no claim, it does not seek applause or fame. It brings a peace that feels complete, a quiet truth, profound yet sweet.